So, hey guys, welcome to another video with my unshaven face as per norm. No, I'm joking, but hope you're all doing well. This is a bit of one of these sort of out of the blue videos. Kind of, I had a tangent. I was like, yeah, I'll do this, and kind of forgot about it. And then I kind of saw the new stuff that was coming out, and I was like, yeah, I'm kind of a bit tempted, and seeing as I'm kind of stuck on this, do I do it now, do I do it in a year's time, or do I do it thing? I thought, screw it, I was getting good reviews, and actually make the purchase. So what I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing. We'll have a good bit of an unboxing. I'm going to do it in my room, because I've got nowhere else to do it, so bear with me. I'm working with confined areas. Kind of created an area to do it, to kind of keep the less, we'll say, static away, and yeah, basically put this bugger together, boot it up, get it working, and see if it actually helps me stream at all. Well, I say helps me stream at all, actually makes streaming a bit more doable for me, rather than me having to sacrifice some performance to be able to do it. And then once I get better internet and everything, happy days. But for the time being, let me get these boxes all accumulated and do a little bit of an unboxing. I've opened some, and I've only opened some because some have certain components to it that are kind of crucial, otherwise I can't do it. So I was kind of stuck with that sort of jigsaw. So now I've got everything, let me just run a double check. Well, I'll unbox, and if this video uploads, then happy days. So I'm over here, and because I'm kind of working on confined space, it's a bit horrific trying to actually do anything. Start with the fun thing, cables. Sadly, due to my situation of living, I don't have the box that contains these anymore. I've had to purchase some additional ones. Standard Corsair ones to fit my power supply. I didn't actually need Corsair ones, but hey ho, every little helps, I guess. Moving on swiftly, we've got a second piece, and I've just thought about it now. This probably looks a bit bizarre, but yeah, we've got a new cooler for the PC to follow suit with the next piece of hardware I'm going to show. It's the NHD15 Knock 2 Chromax Black. We'll see how well this fits in my case, because that could be an interesting video. Thirdly, the Intel i9 12th gen. This bad boy hopefully will make my life enjoyable when I can say, I got an i9, how about that? So yeah. And then finally, the motherboard, which I need to actually open the box. I'm doing like that. And then to add, I've got a Z690 UD DDR4. I was going to go DDR5, and then I saw there's basically no difference, so I didn't want to fork out the extra 300 quid for RAM, and the extra 100 quid for newer board, like a 690 DDR5. So yeah, that's kind of my interesting little purchases. We're looking all good. Yeah, I definitely needed the extra cable. I would have been in trouble if I didn't have it. And yeah, the board looks actually relatively quite nice, and it's got a reinforced board as well. So what we'll do, we'll get this bad boy out. We'll get the CPU on. While I'm doing that, I'm going to uninstall the PC. Well, uninstall the previous motherboard software, because I don't want motherboard softwares to conflict. Potentially don't need to, because they're both the same company, but app centers, I don't know if they change between boards, so we see how we get on. So yeah, let me, we'll potentially have a little time lapse. You might see me run back and forth. I'll have this camera zoomed in close, only chatting I'll do to this one, and I'll have another one overview. Please mind the mess in my room on my desk. It was kind of very unplanned, but I thought, yeah, I'll document it, because why not? I'm having terrible wrist issues, so if you see me doing this, it's potentially because I've actually put my wrist at a weird angle, and it's not having it. It's not having it one bit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope you're all doing well, and I'll hopefully catch you at the little installing stages that I have. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So as I'm mid now doing this, Shan's kindly joined me. Ignore the mess on my desk. But yeah, we've got the motherboard out. Everything's dotted around on different boxes. So like I said, I'm doing this very confined, which I shouldn't really be doing with my most expensive seat. So the plan is get the new board in, get everything attached, then get the cooler on. First of all, I'm going to evaluate which one's easier to get in, the cooler or the motherboard then cooler. So we'll see. So wish me luck. mid-installing. As you may see, I've got my head torch on. Stylish. Hello. Mid-installing motherboard. Got a few more screws to do. Standard stuff. Yeah. It's a bit interesting, this one. Trying to get everything sorted. Next to the intro fan screws for this here, for the fans at the top. Which I'm guessing I'm going to have to do before I do the cooler. Let me get this tray figured out. See in a sec. Boom. So, mostly here now. I need to get the cooler on. As you can see, the ionizer there. I need to get the M.2s in. There's 2 slots here and 1 slot there. And yeah, it's coming along. I think I've got everything installed. Minus fans. I'm just sorting out the system fans now. And next then I'll have to do the CPU, but I need to get those top fans in first. So this camera up here has been capturing all. I know, my methods are great. So yeah, we're gonna get this sorted, hopefully before 10 o'clock. But what? It's 9:30 now. Not hopeful, but we'll see. So see you guys in a bit. Hey, how's it going? Sorry, this is an SD card error. Weird. I think this SD card might be on its way out, but it is my oldest SD card actually. So we've got the cooler in. We are all good to go, and I didn't accidentally put it in upside down either, so bonus points for me. Now I've just got to put the fans back in. Boot this bad boy out, see if she works. It is very compact in here, but there's loads of room between here and here, so I have a bit of freeway with the fans, so we'll see how we get on. See if we can fit them in, and if we can't, then whoops. So yeah, catch you in a bit. So, I just thought a few days later, I've been playing on the thing, I've had to do a few changes, whatnot, just to make the computer work. So, I've upgraded the current setup we've got. The i9's in, we've got the NHDU15, I think it is, or something like that, cooler in. So I've got both 140 fans just in, we're literally, I've had to do some adjustments, but we've got it literally flush with the glass. We'll have to change it about a little bit and sort the fan out so it's not so pushy on the motherboard, but at the moment I don't think it's too bad. I just think it's very firm in there. If anyone thinks that's going to cause a problem, let me know, because I don't think it is, because the case isn't fully on in that section, so we should be okay. I mostly need to modify the RAM, I think. Either I need to get thinner RAM, which, yeah, I might do in like a year's time. I might just deal with the case being slightly off.
or bend the rails out a little bit. I'll see what works and what doesn't. And then, yeah, so that's basically the new i9 with the new motherboard and everything else plugged in. Ignore the massive carnage down here. Well, it's not actually that bad. I thought it was worse, but it's just that where the on buttons are and everything, that wiring is horrific. But other than that, I can't complain. If you guys didn't know, I have to have my stream on here, so this is why I did the big step of kind of thing. So yeah, I normally run my slabs and get my duo stuff in, so you can kind of see my hand up there. But what I was gonna get, well, hopefully that update fixes my issue with GeForce that was causing my PC to hard crash. Oh, the Shadow Play was, sorry. So, as you can see there, pardon me, i9 12900K, and at the same time then, if we grab this, we're running the 12900K at currently 4.3 gigahertz. When I'm playing games, it normally ramps up to 4.9 and stays happy there at about 70 degrees. I can't complain, and yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. So yeah, so on that note, all I can say is thank you for tuning in on that build. It was very, like, it didn't go as how I expected. And with these motherboards, there is a saying on the motherboard that if you've kind of gone through, well, I think depending on the way you've set up your Windows 10, if you've just done it literally bare and just default, there's a that basically stopped my PC from booting. So anyone else having an issue with a Gigabyte UD motherboard, or potentially any other Gigabyte C690 motherboard, that's potentially your issue. Because that's what I had. I was panicking a little bit, and then someone said that setting, and I went, where the hell was that? And it was like hardware, then it was miscellaneous, and then within there it is one of the supports, and if you disable that, it stopped trying to boot it in a RAID format only, and actually made it a bit more compatible. So I think that's correct. I can't remember off the top of my head because there's so many different settings on it, you forget. So all I can say, guys, thank you all for tuning in, greatly appreciated. Have a very good weekend, and see you all next Monday for something else that's happening. What's happening the week after this? Oh yeah, it'll be the phone unboxing, but sneakily stuck in the list. So let me know how this looks, and then next week you can see a bit more on how the phone looks and how it is. So catch you all then, greatly appreciated. Love you all.